That's almost impossible. So to get that hard plastic off, and then I can't get the lid to come off. This is what I struggled with the other night with. And I had containers I got the other night with. One was a tomato pasta sauce. One was a korma sauce, and I couldn't get it to open. I couldn't get it to pop from that point, even when I was trying to put a knife on it and jam it up against the door and pop it. I couldn't do it. And I also put it under hot water like that, trying to stop the glass from getting hot. Just the lid, but it still didn't help. So I gave up on it.
This one's, it depends. I've got that. Another trick I also do is just get the back of the knife and start banging it to release the air, and they always come off.
This sucks. This sucks so much because you've got not only like no texture on this at all, it's super slippery. You then have like these stupid little things, which I know they're meant to be like cut for easy access, but who can like get their fingers actually in there to like rip that off? That's so dumb. Like again, this is like, that would go straight in my mouth. Everything's going straight in my mouth, and then to like open it, not a chance. Like using a knife, right? Like, and like I'm not very good at even like lining up to get the knife underneath, so I stabbed the top off, which is so dangerous. These plastic things are the worst. Like this like sealy thing, the absolute worst. Who can open that? Like, surely no one actually does that with their hands. Everyone does that with their mouth, right? Like surely you're like straight. Yeah, I hate this. No.
Okay, and this is where the vacuum popper tool would come in really handy. And I think once I got rid of that vacuum seal, I think it would probably be okay. Maybe, yeah, it might be okay. Again, this one's got the double, it's got the and then you'd have to use the vacuum popper to open it up. This one I won't even try. Oh no, that's what's all. Oh no, that's not and this is one where I'd have to get the knife out just to get rid of those last few bits and pieces. Some of them can be so hard, but unless you've got an implement or someone with really good hand strength, it is a problem.
Yeah, this one is absolutely cumbersome. Like I cannot even put my hand around this. So this is a hard no. Like my hand doesn't even go around it. And the dangerous thing is I would put it on the side if I did have it in my house, and I would wedge a knife into every single little groove to pierce it open, and then that way I would be able to open it. But right now, it's a hard no, I can't do that one. I think this one's going to be quite similar to this, but my hand can fit around it. I know that I'm spinning it, but I haven't taken it off. So, okay, this one's proving to be good. I was very concerned about that. I might be here all night just spinning this and then trying to pierce it open as well. So, not too bad, but it's just all the little grooves around here is something that's just an additional challenge.
Did you lose getting the seal to break in the first place? It's starting to break, but it hasn't gone away. It hasn't come away from the seal, which is the problem. It wasn't too bad, it was a bit of a job to break the seal. Some of them seem to break easier, but that's basically what I look for in a jar. That one's rather big for me to hold, but they're the same principle. That would be too difficult because of the size.
This, having texture on it, is easier. I mean, these like little ridges are like annoyingly hard, and I'd get a knife to actually like open it, because otherwise you're like putting it in one hand for me. It's actually really hard. If I can put it there, I can get that off. But I like that it has texture, so you can like hold on to it. That is so hard. That's easier because you can like have more of a grip over it. That is just like way too big. I like that it has ridges on it, but like you need like huge hands to like get enough grip to actually open that.
I have seen this one on the shelf, and I just think it's really silly. No, cannot open that. That's a hard one in terms of if we're just looking at peanut butter. I just find it really pointless. I think maybe just to squeeze that out as well. Just another layer, but no, I cannot open that too. And I can see that they've got some little tabs here as well, so I'm not too sure what that's indicating, that people give up on that and then they go straight to the tab.
I haven't actually seen this packaging before. It's not too hard to open. Yeah, that's actually not too bad. Yeah, I wonder if you struggled getting all of the product out, but when it was nearing its end. But
I haven't seen this one before. I don't know how to open that one, but you may have one of those seals that you got to pull that off. You feel that will open, but I can't really get to that seal to do that. I have had some other containers that had the seal and I couldn't break it. I had to get someone else to do it for me.
Like that's going straight in my mouth. Like there's just no other way that you